All right, today we're doing back and buys. Second session of the day. Yesterday I did chest and a little bit of shoulders. Ended up doing that again today with somebody else, and feeling pretty good. Hopefully I got a good pump going for this back day. I'm gonna start deadlifting again today, so let's see how that goes. Hopefully we can touch 405 or so. Anything around that, I would hope, if I feel strong. But I'm gonna start taking some pre real quick and get to it. 2 churns of pink Himalayan salt, some creatine, not least pre-workout. Right now we're on Total War. I'm hoping, like I said yesterday, to get and try Gorilla Mind. Hopefully either this coming weekend or next week. We'll see, depending on how it goes. But this flavor's not so bad. It's never tried it before. Give it like an 8 out of 10. Gets the work done though. I definitely got a good pump off of Total War. Heard some good stuff about Gorilla Mind though, so I definitely want to try that out. Something new. See how that goes. Maybe even swap to it completely. Alright, now we're gonna try let it sit for a sec, wait for the pre to kick in, and listen to some tunes and jam out, get that real pump going, you know what I'm saying? See y'all when we get inside.
Because I was doing pull today. But I don't have anybody to fucking do deadlift with.
I'm probably gonna go ham today.
You want to go ham today?
We'll try to go ham.
You are going ham today?
We'll try. I'm feeling good. I haven't deadlifted in a while. I'm feeling great. So what's up?
Good. Yeah, I'm trying to have fun. I'll do one more real quick for sumo though.
Which one are you gonna do, conventional or sumo?
Like you? Damn, how much you doing down today, man? How much people know today because I smoked myself here. Are you know? I'm tired. I wasn't even supposed to come today, but since I didn't have my kids today, I was fucking just for me.
My second session today.
Good? How much ago? Huh? I think like in a week and a half.
No, like today.
Oh, really? Did you start this?
Yeah.
Really?
Just early. Huh? It was my 7th day of chest. Yesterday I did chest and shoulder.
You're going crazy busy?
One of my friends wanted to do it, so she was like, I want to go do shit. I was like, I'll do it.
You went crazy on Thursday too?
Today was like,
Yeah. Actually, no, I didn't. I only went up to 285. So heavy. Five? Five reps. So that was my last year. I didn't go crazy. I was just following.
Especially not since Friday.
Yeah, I mean, I bought free.
Bro, I got some knowledge Friday, right? So I told you when I went with like Michael and them.
Oh, you.
Yo, bro. So first we went to what was it? We went to Beekman Ale House, right? Remember where we went the first time? Fuck. After that, we were like, yeah, let's go to Denver from the bar, like Greenberg slash Terrytown. Like, this is third, but yo, and then we were like, alright, last but not least, let's go to the setback, which is in Terrytown. So when I was driving towards the setback, I was on Benedict Avenue, which is just straight one lane. Bro, cutting like literally just going on the opposite, bro. It was, I was going crazy, bro. I don't know what was wrong with me. Yeah, but that shit was just wild. Oh, I forgot to get your focus. What are you doing? 20?
What? 20 watts. Nah, I'm going up. I'm gonna try and hit like a heavy set today.
Easy, come on.
Keep it a bit. Going up.
I got this almost today. My fucking low back is shot.
Alright. What's all about? Might be here a while. Try this at 3 and then go up to 335. And then if that goes good, 365. And up. I'm hoping to touch at least 4 or 5. Which I'm thinking is gonna happen. So I'm feeling good. So.
Who are you talking to?
Huh?
Who are you talking to? Oh. Are you on live?
Nah.
Okay. What?
Say I'm probably gonna post this on YouTube soon.
What? Like you talking?
My video, my workouts, all the camera, working out.
Talking, yeah.
My football workout. I've just been racking up videos so I can start posting. And also trial and error to see what works and what doesn't work.
Easy. I'm tired. What do you want?
10. Alright, let's do this. Woo! 35, we're gonna try. I'm gonna do 2. Actually, no, I'm gonna start doing my singles now. 365 for a single. Feeling really good. We're hoping to work up to 405 past that, which I believe is going to happen today. Previous sets have gone up really easily. So I'm working on my singles now, so let's see.
God, we're going
We're about to do 405 for a fast ass single. Feeling really good right now. All right. I feel great today. Woo! Alright, doing some lat pull downs with the cable machine, then some base pulls for rear delts, and then we're gonna finish off with some upright rows with the machine, the hamstring machine, and then we're gonna finish off with some biceps.
Do like just a couple of AMRAP sets, pull ups, and then come back over here.
need to lock in.
What the fuck you doing?
Morning concept, working out.
You clogged the toilet again.
Oh, yo, cancel his
Yo, Tyler.
Yo, why you keep clogging the toilet, yo? Why you keep clogging the toilet?
I'm gonna do a set of elbow drills. See how that is. And that isn't forever. The last one. Ah, fuck.
Alright guys, that's the end of the video. I just want to stop by real quick to tell y'all the plans for the future on the channel. I do plan on continuing the gym content. You know, I'm getting used to this. Talking more to the camera itself while working out is just a little hard sometimes because, you know, I get really lost within the moment in the gym. And I also want to implement some day in the life videos as well. You know, regular vlogging. In the near future, I'd like to implement some cart stuff as well as like working on cars, going to meets, etc. You know, friends stuff. But if you have any suggestions on what I should post or what you'd like to see on the channel, you know, just leave it in the comments below, and I'll be sure to read them. And that's it, guys. Have a good one.